Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruise here. This particular item is for Suzuki C800 M800 M50, whatever you want to call it. Basically Volusia Marauder. Hypercharger. This will give you masses more power than stock. Okay. This is like a billet CNC adapter. So what happens? This bolts onto your bike. Okay, this way. Your air pipe goes onto this. This bolts on, and then the hyper bolts onto that. So basically, you're getting a massive amount of air rammed in. This is our super duper pipe, not the plastic rubbery shit you normally get with them. But this super duper thing will then shove bags of air in. As you can see, there's a K&N air filter in it. Okay, these flaps will then operate with the vacuum of the motor. Okay, and massively improve your horsepower. Available in black or chrome, various options. You can go pro as well. This particular one available from customcruisers.com. That's www.customcruisers.com. It will be on EU when we've perfected that website, which is a lot better. Alternatively, give us a call, 01773835666. Hypercharger available from many models, from M18s, which are twins, VN15s, EFIs, carburetor bikes, whatever you like. Give us a bell. Thank you.